You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French pastry chef and chocolatier. Chocolatier, if you want to learn more names of French chefs that are super famous, and French cuisine also. Absolutely. Stay tuned to the channel because loads of vocabulary here from cuisine, French cuisine. But let's break it down. Pierre Hermé. That's how we'd say it in French. Pierre Hermé. The H is silent in French, okay, just like Hermès. Hermé. Pierre Hermé. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say it as Pierre Hermé. Pierre Hermé. Or in French again, let's listen carefully. Pierre Hermé. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.